start the workshop. Please go as I say. I don't know why it's echoing that much. So first we will take a pencil and we'll start with a doodle. I'll start with the head. I'll draw a circle here. Can you all see? I'll draw a little circle here. This is circular. Okay. Now we'll be drawing the tentacles. This. We'll make random tentacles around here. Make sure you curve them at the edge. I have muted one device. I don't know why it's echoing. Please bear with me. So we make another tentacle here. What you've seen me do here is take your paper, okay? Make a small half circle here. Can you see the kind of circle I've made? It's not a perfect circle. It is just a random circle and we stop at the base. We don't want the base to be a circle, okay? Now make this circle and you all can reply a yes once you're done with me. Then we start making these tentacles. Okay, now usually an octopus has 8 tentacles, so we'll be making such lines as well. So come on, start now. Now we'll make all the rest of the tentacles here. We'll just make random curves. Make sure you start them linear, but make them a little curvy at the end because we want it to look really cute and funky. So these are my tentacles. We can make changes at the last moment when we start doing it with a pen. Okay, so I'll make this one a little more. Can you see what I've done here, you guys? It's like this, then it goes in front. This is what I've done. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can remove one more tentacle from behind, take it all the way back, take it all the way back and bring it here. Okay? Yeah, sure. Cool. Now this is our head. Okay. Any 2 tentacles take from here that go above like that. Can you all see what I'm making? I'm making these lines here. Okay. At the end. Okay. Now I'll turn these lines into a drop. Do you know how a drop looks? This is a drop. So these will be our eyes. This is how you have to make the eyes. Okay, so I'll add my eyes here. It will look something like this, and from here also I'll add one more drop, and the drop will come off like this. I'll just show you the reference. This is my picture, right? These are my eyes. Can you all see? And I have made round eyes here. We make random lines over the head. That's how you let your creative side take over you. So we are making just random lines, okay, to fill in the details. Make sure the lines are not very thin, so it will be difficult for you to detail. Madam, I have done because, okay, madam, yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm reading your messages as I go with it. I don't know, my laptop was echoing for some reason. So this is it, okay. Random, very random lines, okay guys. Just go like this. Do it like this, very random. I know the octopus looks like a mummy wrapped in those white papers. Now our octopus is done. The next step in this doodle is to paint the background blue. Okay, but maybe we'll do it later. We'll first fill in the octopus with the details, then we will paint it in whatever color you want. Okay, it is your ocean. You can paint it red, blue, green, yellow, whatever you see fit. Now before, can you see the details here? I'll show you a few details how to do them, and then you all can incorporate those details in here. Please don't spam in the texts. Just say whatever you want to, please. Whoever is replying red and red, please don't do that. Please don't spam the inbox. Now what I'll do is, I'll take a piece of paper. Y'all don't have to take a piece of paper. I'm going to show you a few designs, okay? Now the first design that I'll make here, I'll just show you all how designs work. Random, okay? I can make a flower. Can I do a flower? Yes, you can do anything in your octopus as long as you want to. If y'all can see, my eyes look oval. These are my eyes. Okay? These are my eyes. Okay, what did I tell you? I told you to make a line. First we make a line. First we make 2 lines in the eyes like this. Then we make a now this is my octopus. Okay, I'll start with the head, just making random lines here. Very random lines. I'll just fill this with triangles again. Now my trick is, wherever I want to do triangles, I finish doing triangles first. So it becomes a lot easier for me to finish my doodle. So I'll have triangles here as well. I'm going to make circles here, very small circles. I'll start with the rounds and go round and round. Another circle here, just going round. And then you do, I'll show you how to make a checks. So here I've made really slant lines and then I cross them like that. Are you all doing it like I am doing it? Do it quickly. So we'll finish this off fast. So this is the reference. I am going to start painting now. Make sure you paint the inner pages first before you start painting the outer one. Okay. I was testing colors. Now I'll start my painting. Make sure you don't paint on your tentacles or color them. Green. A lot of you are doing green. Blue. Even I'm doing blue. So my painting part is done. I'll quickly let it dry and we can continue the doodles and then we do the other plants as well. I dried up my painting. This is how my painting looks. Okay. 9. That's really young. Hi. 10. Are you liking this workshop? So we'll complete this, then we move on. So just gonna fill in. I want you all to put in a yes if you have done coloring your ocean. So we can make those little plants, which are again very easy. Take a side, take a corner and make really wavy, really waves and then join the waves together. This is what I've done. I'll show you. Gonna make very random waves here. So I've done this. Can you see what I've done and how easy it is? Now we will fill them with color. If y'all are using colors, y'all can directly make it in color. I'll be using black, so I need my black color. It's really easy. Don't think it's very complicated. Again, it is your mind and whatever you make is perfect for you. Just random, just very random lines will come out from here. Random. Okay, I am done painting this. Are you all done? Can you see? Can you see what I've done? So till you'll do that, I'll complete my doodling. I want everyone to reply once y'all are done with this planters. And if you want me to repeat the process, I will repeat the process for you. Okay, take your time, it's okay. So just very randomly anywhere around the octopus, we will make bubbles. Can you see? I'll go very slow, okay? Slowly I'll make another set of bubbles here. Nice. Ma'am, I have done my doodling. Okay, so I'll be checking your work now. I want all of you. So this is how my doodle looks. I'll check yours now. Can you show me yours? I'll show you my face now. We can have a talk. So, hi Ananya, Anaya Agarwal. Can I see your work? Looks so pretty. So she has done it in purple. Kavika, I can see you, Kavika. Can you show me your work? Very nice. Please keep it on the screen. I want to take a picture. Christian Fernandez, I can see you as well. Can you show me? Okay, another set of names. Ahana, I can't see you all. Why are your videos switched off? Okay. Jaswita, Divas Singh Chabra. Very nice. Superb. Ahana, can I see yours? Wow. You guys are really creative, yeah, for people under 10 and 15. Okay, now next one is Via. Yours look beautiful. It's lovely, lovely. I loved it. Arika Agarwal. Wow, you've done it so nicely. It looks same as mine. Can I see Khushi's? Who's Khushi? Khushi, yeah, please show me yours. Ah, Khushi has done a red ocean. How creative. Very creative, you guys. Shri Amukta, Abhileka, Kalita. Can I see yours, baby? Isha, I can see yours. Can you show me again? Beautiful. Wow, you guys are so nice at this. So creative and catching upon with me. Okay, Dev and Priyansh, lovely. Y'all have used crayons and it looks lovely. Anika Sharma, it looks so nice. She has done white dots all over it and it looks so beautiful. Chandra Sen, can I see yours? Haven't you colored yet, Baba? You have to color it a little. I can't see the colors. Please show it to me clearly. Bhopal Vij, yours looks lovely. I want to see Gitika, Anya Meher. Please show me up. Wow, so beautiful. Gitika has done a purple ocean. There's somebody named as R, only R. Can you show me your work in green t-shirt and a bob cut? I can't see you, Pratna. Where are you? Yes, I can see. Very cute. I love how you added the green in the water and it looks very, very nice. Who else? Anybody else?
Mommy.
Yes, please, Ruthvi. Ruthvi, please show me your work. Ah! Wow, Ruthvi has made a butterfly and you've drawn a few grass. Thank you so much. It looks very nice.
Can you see mine?
Who's? Can you take your name? I'll slide up. I can see Chandra Sen's and it looks very nice.
That's mine.
Who else is wanting to show? Divya Singh Chabra, 6th B. Very cute. I like how you added the flowers. How do I send it to Piggy Ride? I think Piggy Ride needs to answer that. Who is hosting at Piggy Ride? Please tell me how they can share their works with me. Or give me their numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
This one.
Very good. Isha has made a very yellow bright ocean. Piggy Ride has shared their information so you all can show it to your parents. Anika Sharma, it's very nice. It's very beautiful. Jannat has made a very nice ocean. I loved it. Everybody, I can't unmute you. I want you all to leave the meeting if you are done. Okay, and share your pictures with Piggy Ride. Ask your parents to take a picture of your painting and you can share it online with Piggy Ride and Piggy Ride will share it with me. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.